In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add day separators in TradingView. By the end, your chart will display clear vertical markers that separate each trading day, making it easier to scan price action day by day at a glance. First, open TradingView. This can be in your web browser or the desktop app. Wait for the workspace to load so the chart tools and toolbar are visible. Next, open your chart. If a chart is already on screen, you can use that. Otherwise, select the market you want from your watch list and load it so the main price chart is active. Make sure you can see the top chart toolbar. That's where the setting you need is controlled. Now, click the gear icon labeled Chart Settings. You'll find this gear in the top toolbar, usually near the right side of the chart area. Clicking it opens a settings window that controls how your chart looks and behaves. From here, go to the Appearance tab. You'll see several tabs down the left side of the settings window. Click Appearance to view visual options for your chart, such as background, grid lines, and overlays that help with reading time and sessions. Once that's open, enable Session Breaks. Look for the option called Session Breaks and turn it on. As soon as you enable it, TradingView draws vertical separators at the start of each new trading session. For most symbols and timeframes, these lines work as day separators, helping you see where one day ends and the next begins. You should see the lines appear immediately on the chart behind the settings window. This is normal and confirms the option is active. If your chart theme uses subtle colors, the lines may be faint. That's expected and simply follows your current appearance settings. At this point, click OK to save and close the settings window. Your chart now keeps session breaks visible as you navigate, zoom, or switch symbols. You don't need to reapply this each time. TradingView remembers the setting for this chart layout. A quick note to help you read the result with confidence. Session breaks are designed to mark the boundary between trading sessions according to the symbol's exchange hours and your chart's time settings. On most intraday charts, you'll see a clean vertical line for each new day, which is exactly what you want when you're adding day separators in TradingView. You can scroll left and right to confirm that each day is clearly divided, making it easier to review daily highs and lows, overnight gaps, and the start of each market session. Nothing else changes about your data. This is a visual aid only, so it's safe to use and easy to turn off later from the same Appearance tab if you ever need to. That's all you need to do. Session breaks are now enabled, and day separators are visible on your TradingView chart. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.